What does this experiment suggest about female frogs? Where do we have this reference? The third paragraph mentions this experiment and says that in order to understand how the predators and females respond to the synchronized way of calling, the experiment was conducted, and the paragraph concludes by saying that the experiment clearly shows that the female frog is somehow solving the problem of illusion. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, the females can hear simultaneous calls from a greater distance. In the context of this experiment, in the third paragraph, the passage makes no suggestion about distance. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, they, unlike bats, may respond differently to successive calls. Yes, this is what is implied in the third paragraph, because the paragraph says that the bats and midges frequented the speaker sending out the leading call much more than the other speaker, whereas the female frogs chose either speaker roughly equally. So it can be inferred that the female frogs and the bats respond differently to synchronized communication. This answer choice correctly captures this thought. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, the females can differentiate among simultaneous calls as accurately as the bats can. The third paragraph mentions that bats frequented the speaker with the leading calls much more than the speaker with the following calls. So it can be inferred that bats cannot differentiate among simultaneous calls. So it is incorrect to state that the females can differentiate as accurately as bats can. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, the females, unlike bats, prefer calls from followers rather than calls from the leader. The third paragraph mentions that female frogs choose either speaker roughly equally. So it can be inferred that female frogs do not show any preference to the leader or the follower. So it is incorrect to state that they prefer followers over leaders. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, they, like male frogs, can initiate synchronized calls. In the context of this experiment in the third paragraph, the passage discusses how female frogs respond to synchronized calls. The passage makes no suggestion about female frogs initiating such communication. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.